How to use LegalZoom digital estate planning properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. LegalZoom makes digital estate planning accessible, but beginners often make mistakes that can jeopardize your wishes or create legal headaches. The first mistake is incomplete asset listing. Many users enter only bank accounts or real estate and forget investments, digital assets, or personal property. Make a complete inventory to ensure all assets are covered. Another common error is not updating beneficiaries. Life events like marriage, divorce, or births can change who should inherit. Neglecting updates may result in unintended distributions. Many people overlook the importance of selecting the right executor or trustee. This person manages the estate after your passing. Choose someone reliable and name alternates in case the primary is unavailable. Neglecting to review state-specific rules is another pitfall. LegalZoom provides templates, but estate laws vary by state. Check local requirements for wills, trusts, and powers of attorney to ensure compliance. Finally, some users assume LegalZoom replaces legal counsel entirely. Complex estates, tax issues, or special circumstances may require an attorney's review to avoid mistakes or disputes. To use LegalZoom digital estate planning properly, list all assets, update beneficiaries, select the right executor or trustee, verify state compliance, and consult a professional when needed. Avoid these mistakes and your estate plan will protect your legacy, simplify administration, and give peace of mind.